Here I have Samsung soundbar Q950T, and today I'm going to show you how to connect this device to any Android device. So first of all, you will have to go to your Android TV device settings, then to the remotes and accessories, and then pair remote or accessory. After you see it searching for a Bluetooth device, what you have to do is to hold down circle button on your soundbar, go to the Bluetooth mode, and after you see it, switch to the Bluetooth reading, Bluetooth pairing. Now, as you can see, you can connect to this device here. And then press pair. And as you can see, Samsung soundboard is connected. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.